Hi friends, today we are going to learn how to use a unique function in MS Excel. In earlier versions, if you want to know how many unique numbers are there and what are they, we were using one remove duplicates option in MS Excel. Now in Office 365 and later versions, Microsoft has introduced unique function. This unique function will remove all the duplicates and only it will return the unique values. So let us try now. For this example, I have the region wise manager details here. I'm going to copy the headers to the same row in the D column. I will apply unique function in D4 cell equals to unique. First, I will apply only the region. Let's see how we will get the result here. So unique under close bracket. So we received only four regions because we have four values listed in the A column. So if I want to know the region wise manager into D and E column, how to use? I have deleted the formula in D. Let me implement one more time. Unique and select both the columns, close the bracket and hit enter. We will get, since we have supplied two columns within the unique function, we will receive two columns in the output as well. So this is how we can use unique function to get the unique records in each region. Suppose if any one region we have two managers, then how the unique function will work for two columns. Let's see. I'm going to change the A6 value to south so that south will have two managers. One person is Kanthan, another person named is Samson. So now it returned unique records from both the columns. If you look at the North Rosario, South Kanthan, and South Samson, West Vikram, and East Samson. So here you may think that these are the duplicate records, but if you look at in both the columns, these two records are two unique records. So this is how unique function will return the results. I hope this unique function will help you a lot in your daily work. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you are not done yet. Let's catch up in our next video. Thank you so much. Till then, bye bye.